Each morning is miracle enough. Be thankful. Good morning, all of you. Pollution is the addition of harmful substances to air, water, and land. These harmful substances are known as pollutants. There are four kinds of pollution: air, water, noise, and soil pollution. I hope you have guessed the topic. Yes, so today's chapter is environmental pollution. So let's start with the water pollution. Water pollution is caused due to both natural and human-made factors. An important natural polluting factor is storm. Storms usually cause mud, soil, and other harmful particles to dissolve in water. In this manner, water becomes unfit for consumption. Water pollution is caused by human activities. The most common and widely prevalent human activities that cause water pollution are dumping chemical waste from factories, household waste and sewage into ponds, rivers and lakes, leakage from oil tankers, washing clothes and bathing cattle in the river, streams, ponds and lakes. Drinking polluted water causes disease like jaundice, typhoid and gastroenteritis. Water pollution affects not only humans but plants and animals too. Plants and animals that live in or use polluted water become weak and die slowly. Due to the presence of pollutants in the water, plants are unable to prepare their food. Their growth is affected. Animals consume this polluted water and become sick. Now we will discuss about noise pollution. No one can escape from the loud sounds. Loud noise is a major threat to the environment. In the past 20 years, noise in towns and cities has increased rapidly. Loud noise is a pollutant that causes noise pollution. Noise pollution is also known as sound pollution. Noise pollution is harmful to all living organisms. Do you know, children? Sound is measured in decibels. The higher the decibels, the louder the sound. Any sound higher than 90 decibels causes harm to our hearing power. Noise pollution is caused by noise from cars, aeroplanes, buses, loudspeakers, loud music systems and TV of course. Machines in factories are also responsible for the noise pollution. Noise pollution causes irreparable damage. It causes loss of hearing and in extreme cases deafness, stress, irritation and headache, loss of sleep. The presence of toxic chemicals in soil is high enough concentration to pose a risk to human health or the ecosystem. Yes, now we will discuss about soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused in the following ways: continuous use of pesticides and fertilizers on a piece of land, industrial and household waste being dumped on the land. Soil pollution makes the soil infertile and is harmful to all living things. It also affects the growth of plants. The other pollution is air pollution. Nature and humans both cause air pollution. Nature pollutes the air by sandstorms, forest fires, eruption of volcanoes, and pollen from flowers. However, most air pollution is caused by human activities, burning of fuels in factories and vehicles, burning of garbage, release of smoke and harmful gases into the atmosphere are a few activities that cause air pollution. Air pollution results in a number of respiratory diseases, breathing problems, and lung damage. Plants and animals are also affected by air pollution. Air pollution affects both plants and animals. Polluted air affects the process of photosynthesis, and thus plants are not able to make their food. This affects the growth of plants, and in extreme cases they die. Thus, we understand that pollution is a danger looming large over the earth. We must remember that almost all pollution is caused by human activities, either directly or indirectly. Use of mosquito repellents, pesticides, air conditioners, and loudspeakers also cause pollution. Remember, the earth is a wonderful gift. Let us not pollute it. Wake up. Do what you can to save the earth. Small acts such as reusing, recycling, being careful about not making loud noise, planting a sapling, or throwing garbage into the garbage bin certainly helps to save our home, the earth. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.